As far as
may iba pa. May nakikita ko sa
the Secretary of Justice is concerned because she was not there when those things happened, and he's not competent to testify on them as a matter of her personal knowledge. She is only deriving her knowledge from the statement of Justice Sereno as written in her dissenting opinion. Totoo man yan. Totoo yun o hindi, ay kailangan patunayan pa.
Hindi nyo sila isusupira, sir? So yung hinihingi po ni Senator Trillanes, parang remaining request lang?
One of the systemic discoveries authorized under the rules of law. One is deposition, the other one is written interrogatories, written questions.
So that's an option.
Pero ang problema doon, walang cross-examination.
pero pwede po yun sa panglakas. Okay na mag-roll.
Titingnan namin na pag-usapan namin.
Sir, just to
So may iba pa bang paraan kung hindi man po mag-volunteer sila Justice Sereno, may iba pang paraan para makakuha ng personal knowledge nila?
Meron paraan pagdating na defense. Pagdating ng defensa, kung ipipresenta nila sa Chief Justice Corona, tatanungin na mga prosecutors kung cross-examination.
Ano ba yung nag-clash doon sa guidelines ng
Kaya pag-usapan natin, alam mo yung interrogatories is done only where concerns. You have a pending case. Yung magiging testigo mo magkakamatay o magiging invalid at hindi na makapunta sa ospital o yung perpetuation of testimony through interrogatory.
Hindi na tulad tayo dito. Pwede yun, pwede ngayon.
Supplementary yung support.
Meaning
Meaning that they supplement the rules of impeachment if there are lacking in the rules of impeachment.
So yes, pwede sir gamitin yung interrogatory.
Pwede. Kung papayag yung magtetestigo, yung magistrado.